Hello, in this video we are going to create Amazon VPC. When you say you are creating a VPC, this means that you are creating a virtual network inside Amazon's cloud. And this virtual network is totally dedicated to your AWS account and is logically isolated from other virtual networks in the AWS cloud. Today we will create a custom VPC in the EU Central 1 region. We will create public subnet, private subnet, routing tables, internet gateway so that our public subnet can access the internet. Then we will create EC2 instances and assign them to the security groups. So let's log in to our AWS console. I have logged into my AWS console. You can go to services and under networking, click on VPC. This is your VPC dashboard. Click on your VPCs. Now you can see this is the default VPC which is created by Amazon. The IP range is mentioned here. We will click on create VPC to create our own custom VPC. Now we have to mention the CIDR block here, that is the classless interdomain routing block. So you can see it says that we can have IP addresses in this range. You cannot have a VPC larger than /16. So let's create a VPC with this range 10.10.0.0/16. We'll keep the tenancy as default. We are not using any dedicated network hardware. Click on yes, create. It will take some time for the VPC to show up on your dashboard. I'm just going to pause this video till the VPC is created. So now as you see, my custom VPC is created. This is the CIDR block, the IP address range that I had specified. Now once your VPC is created, let's go to subnets. These are the default subnets that are already created in the default VPC. Let's create a public subnet in our custom VPC. Select the VPC here. This is the one that we created. Let's select the first availability zone. I'm going to give this range as 10.10.1.0/24. Now you see the public subnet is created. This is my CIDR block, and this also shows how many IPs are available for use to me. So it is 251, the availability zone. Now here the auto assign public IP option is no, so I'm just going to select my subnet and modify the auto assign IP option, keep it as enabled, so that any EC2 instances that I create or assign to this subnet will have an elastic IP automatically assigned. Let's create a private subnet. I'm giving the range as 10.10.2.0/24. So now my public and private subnets are created. Now let's go and create an internet gateway. Click on internet gateways and click on create internet gateway. Let's say my IGW and hit yes create. So now this internet gateway is automatically created, and but it is still detached. It is not attached to any VPC. So I'm going to select it and attach it to my VPC. So this is my custom VPC. I'm going to attach the gateway to this one. Okay, now it says is attached. Now let's go to route tables. Now when we create a VPC, a route table is by default created and it is attached to the main routing table. So we are not going to use this. We'll create a separate route table. And assign it to our VPC. Okay, so now this route table is created. Let's go to the routes here and we need to add this route such that all the traffic is routed to the internet gateway and out to the internet. So we will add another rule and say that all the traffic, so 0.0.0./0 goes to the internet gateway. So automatically it's populating my internet gateway. I'm going to select it and click on save. So now my internet gateway is also attached to my routing table. Now let's click on subnet associations. Now this particular routing table is attached to the internet gateway, so my public subnet is going to be associated with this routing table. So if you see, it says you do not have any subnet associations, and the following subnets have not been associated with any route tables and are therefore associated with the main route table. So here I'm going to edit it and associate the public subnet with this particular routing table. So this is done. So let's see what we have done so far. Going back to our diagram, we created a custom VPC in this range in our EU Central 1 region. We created a public subnet. We created a private subnet. We created an internet gateway. We created a routing table and assigned it to this particular subnet so that the public subnet can access the internet through the internet gateway. Also, we enabled the auto IP assign option to the public subnet so that whenever we create any EC2 instance in the public subnet, it automatically gets a public IP. And the same setting is disabled for private subnet. So in the next part of the video, I'm going to show you how we can create EC2 instances in two separate public and private subnets and assign security groups to them, and how we will be able to access these EC2 instances. Thank you for watching this video, and please continue to the next part for the next actions. Thank you.